My biggest win was that anything I wanted to do in my business, I could do, no questions asked. I just needed the confidence to do it, and everything else fell into place. The name of my business is Rising Pheonix Massage and Bodywork, and I feel like a phoenix, like just powering forward and know exactly where I want to go, laser focused, on fire, loving it. My name is Hadassah Swain, and I started the Academy in March of 2021 in the middle of the pandemic. I practice in Baltimore, Maryland. I knew how to do massage therapy, but not really the business part of it. And so I realized like a couple months in that I really had no idea what I was doing and I needed some help. So the biggest thing was how to get clients. I would kind of get a little here and there on posting like, I have an opening, or massage is really good for the circulatory system. And, it is, but it's like people don't respond to that. I was just really lost, I think I would say. Before or in the beginning, like it may feel like a lot, but then when you're done the program, you're like, oh no, that was nothing. Or like that wasn't a lot compared to like everything that I gained. Whenever I feel like I'm going over my comfort zone, like in a good way, like I feel like I'm gonna throw up. Like before then, it was like when I would feel like nauseous, it was like an anxiety thing. And then like in the program, I was like, oh no, this is me like stepping up. The power that was like in me and that was always there, but like Rebecca really helped just see it. Everything that comes up, she just helped me just move past that and just make a decision and stand in it. So it was 100% worth the investment. Like in the beginning, it was like, this is crazy. It felt like so much, but then in the program, it just taught me how to have that profit, that it was like a return on investment. And it was like, oh, okay, I could totally do this. And I'm going to continue to take all of these principles and everything that I learned and just increase my profit more. You can be a successful healer and massage therapist, and 100%. Like I would recommend it in a heartbeat. I already have, but everyone needs to everyone needs to make that decision on their own. But yes, I have no doubt that it'll change your life.